Listen up, it's Sunday. We got a lot of shit to do. We got so many fence posts to take out. We got so much grass to mow, and you're coming with me. Happy Sunday.
I don't know if I'm gonna get this tree. I don't know if it's touching.
Ooh! She's rocking! She's rocking!
I don't know if it'll go. It's coming up the same amount.
Can't get this tree to go. Yeah! Victory! On a phenomenal note, these overalls have just the perfect clip-on spot for the DJI Mic 2. I don't know how that worked, but hopefully Stacy don't get too mad at me. I'm getting some sun, getting some color. It's hard to keep continuity when I get out in the sun. Cody's on the backhoe today. It's Sunday afternoon. We are ripping out the last little bit of fencing here. So behind the barn, we got 2 rows. We've done the wooden fence posts that have some wire fencing on them, and then we have these T-posts here to do as well. We're putting the scraps for now over here behind the barn along that tree line there. We're separating the metal, and then we're gonna be moving the wood over to the burn area where we just did a huge burn. We're gonna have some more stuff, and then we'll see if we get to it today. But ultimately, the goal back here is, since we're redoing the barn and it's gonna be concrete, it's gonna be gym, office, podcast studio, and be a nicer space. I'd rather not have the chicken coop attached and have animals back here. So the good thing is we can move all of this stuff from the chicken coop, find another place on the property for it, and make it really cool. And I think Julia would love to be involved with that and do it, and probably post it on her channel. We're gonna take out the goat enclosure, and I believe they have a little house and colorful playpen over here, which I need to go and explore and play on before we rip it out. But I think it will open up this side quite a bit to the right of the barn. We plan on, I'll pour concrete below these overhangs as well, so we can have this as kind of some coverage for some vehicles. And then I wanted to do concrete patio on the back side of the barn as well. I also been talking to this trampoline guy, this in-ground trampoline guy on Facebook Marketplace. So I think we may have to put a trampoline back there, maybe a fire pit and stuff. And then we're gonna clean up this outdoor storage area. Got a little 20-yard dumpster. She's mainly filled up. And then we got my massive project that I'm most excited for here is the barn. So this is gonna be my space. It's gonna be a nice old spot for your boy. Can't wait to start here. We'll probably get started over the winter. But yeah, join us. Join me and Cody while we rip out this last layer of fencing, clean up the back of the barn area a little bit. Have a good Sunday. Seeing it come to life, it's really, I mean, even when we just cut the grass down short, like, it's opened up so much of the space. Like, it feels so much more fluid, you know, just be able to walk and drive. Look who came to say hello. She actually came to tell me something was done being put up in my closet.
I put up some little racks for his hats and his bags.
Very much needed.
I used a drill.
She knows how to use the drill
I know
very
my way
well.
around the drill.
Yes.
Sure.
I've got meetings in the next few minutes and a couple videos to film for the school community and a couple things to do for the Patreon. But I'm gonna come back out here and join Cody at 3 p.m. for another hour, and we're gonna try to get to the side pieces, so the goat enclosure and some of the rest of the fencing over there. But we ripped out those 2 rows of fencing. It looks super neat, super open, and I'm excited to get it mowed. And it's gonna be beautiful. It already is beautiful, but it's coming together. See you soon. Making some progress on the fences. Got some electrical on that one, so we're leaving it till later. I gotta rip these guys out. Silver. Good girl. On to the next.
Nothing really right now.
I'm gonna do a circle. There's a lot of smoke coming from the other end of the backyard. Let's hope it's okay. Oh, jeez. Oh, it's a big boy. It's a big old boy. Woo! How about that?
Fire NATO, like Sharknado.
It's about 6 p.m. on Sunday. We got the sun setting. The front of the property back there. I don't know how the exposure's doing, but we've done a really good job today. I'm proud of it. We took the 0 turn over there, which is right there. 0 turn's right there, and it's actually dead. Ran out of gas on me. I have a couple things to go over once more, but if you can see, this was a side yard that had all the dog fencing, the wooden fence posts, and it is all cleared out. We finally have the debris finally cleared from the land. Some of it, the rest of it is burning there, and the rest of it's in that dumpster. So super happy with how it turned out. Beautiful evening, much more open back here. Just had a great weekend. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe for the weekly vlogs. We got a lot of projects to do. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next week.